Every month, thousands of Singaporeans watch money disappear from their accounts, and they have no idea it's happening. But wait, before we begin, please subscribe to ensure that you never miss out on any of my essential stuff. Comment, "I subscribe," below, and I will personally welcome you to our community. With that said, let's get started. In 2025, the average Singaporean is losing over $600 annually to hidden costs they never see coming. And I'm not talking about obvious expenses. I'm talking about silent wealth killers that creep into your life. So gradually, you don't even realize you're hemorrhaging money until it's too late. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah Tan, 28, marketing executive. She just landed her dream job and moved into her first rental apartment in Tanjong Pagar. She was proud, independent, adult. Her rent, $2,200 a month. Steep, but she'd budgeted for it. Then the first utility bill arrived. $120. Wait, utilities aren't included? Then Wi-Fi. Another $50. That's separate too. Then a letter from IRAS. Stamp duty. She'd never even heard of stamp duty for rentals. In her first month alone, Sarah lost $450 in costs she never saw coming. And here's the kicker. She's not alone. According to a 2025 study by Ukify, Singapore tenants must pay stamp duty when signing rental agreements. It's a government fee that applies to any lease with monthly rent exceeding $1,000. You have 14 days to pay it after signing, or face penalties. And your tenancy agreement? It might not even be legally recognized if you miss it. Here are 3 costs most renters never budget for. Number 1. Stamp duty, that government validation fee no one tells you about. Number 2. Utilities not included in your rent. Expect $80 to $100 per month for water, electricity, gas. Number 3. Wi-Fi billed separately. Another $40 to $50 monthly. If you've ever moved into a rental in Singapore and felt blindsided by hidden costs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But rental costs? That's just the beginning. Wait until you hear what happened to James. James Lim, 42, IT consultant. For 20 years, he'd been the model Singaporean worker. Contributed to CPF religiously. Checked his balance like clockwork. Watched those numbers grow. He thought CPF was his golden ticket to retirement. Then in 2024, he stumbled across a report that made his stomach drop. His real income growth, only 1.4%, down from 2.8% in 2023. Over 5 years, real median income in Singapore grew just 0.7% per year. Translation: his purchasing power barely moved. Inflation was eating his savings faster than CPF interest could grow them. A 2025 economic analysis by CZIA.co revealed something shocking. Despite Singapore's impressive GDP per capita of $92,000 to $93,000, real median income growth has stagnated. Corporate profits and foreign investment returns are included in GDP, but those don't benefit the average household. Everyone thinks CPF is bulletproof retirement insurance. It's not the complete picture. Here's what most people don't know. In 2024, about 50% of CPF members turning 55 met the full retirement sum in cash. Sounds okay, right? But here's the problem. 30% couldn't meet it in cash or with property. 30%. The full retirement sum for 2025? $205,800. And starting 2025, the CPF special accounts were closed for members aged 55 and above. All those savings transferred to retirement accounts. Sounds like just an administrative change, but it completely reshapes how your savings grow and how much flexibility you have. Imagine working your entire life, doing everything right, contributing every month without fail, only to discover your purchasing power barely moved. If you're feeling a bit uneasy right now, good. Awareness is the first step. And just when you think you've got your finances sorted, there's another trap hiding in plain sight. Quick question. When's the last time you actually checked your insurance premiums? In October 2024, Singapore's Ministry of Health dropped a bomb. MediShield premiums, increasing by up to 35%, effective April 2025. Medical inflation in Singapore hit 10.1% in 2024, one of the highest rates in Southeast Asia. WTW's Global Medical Trends report warns that medical costs will climb another 16.9% in 2026. Meet Mrs. Chen, 58 years old, retiree with a chronic condition. She'd faithfully paid her MediShield premiums for 30 years, never questioned the annual increases, thought they were normal. Then her 2025 premium notice arrived. 35% jump. In 1 year, Mrs. Chen is now paying an extra $400 plus annually, money cutting directly into her fixed retirement income. Here's the contrast. What tourists think, Singapore has amazing health care. What actually happens? Singaporeans pay some of the highest and fastest growing health insurance premiums in Asia. And that's not even the worst part. Wait, there's a silent wealth killer that affects almost everyone with a smartphone. Raise your hand if you know exactly how many subscriptions you're paying for right now. A Seedly survey found that 69% of Singaporeans over 16 have at least one subscription service. 39% have more than one. And 19%, they have 3 or more. The average Singaporean spends $57.69 every single month on subscriptions. That's $692 per year. And here's where it gets sneaky. Netflix Singapore raised prices again in April 2025. Basic plan, $15.98, up from $13.98. Standard plan, $22.98, up from $19.98. Premium plan, $29.98, up from $25.98. Even the extra member slot jumped to $7.98 from $6.98. Most people don't notice because it's only $2 to $4 more per month. But multiply that across all your subscriptions. Let's do the math together. Netflix Premium, $29.98 per month equals $359.76 per year. Spotify Premium, $9.90 per month equals $118.80 per year. Disney Plus, after 2025, increased $13 per month equals $156 per year. Gym membership, $100 per month equals $1,200 per year. Food delivery subscriptions, $30 per month equals $360 per year. Total, over $2,194 per year. On just 5 subscriptions. Now imagine this. What if you invested $1,200 instead? At just a 5% annual return. After 10 years, you'd have $28,412.50 in savings. This looks harmless now. A few dollars here, a few dollars there. But those few dollars are quietly draining your future. But the biggest money leak isn't any of these. It's something 72% of Singaporeans are deeply worried about. A YouGov survey confirmed it. Housing affordability, healthcare, food costs. These are the things keeping people up at night. Food costs, which make up 20.4% of Singapore's consumer price index, rose 1.3% in March 2025. Housing and utilities, that's 29.4% of the CPI. And it keeps climbing. HDB resale prices, they surged 9.6% in 2024, nearly double the 4.9% increase in 2023. Post-pandemic inflation peaked at 6.12% in 2022. Here's the painful irony. Singapore ranks as one of the world's wealthiest cities. But that doesn't mean Singaporeans feel wealthy. And most people miss one critical point, the income inequality gap. Singapore's Gini coefficient sits at 0.435 before government transfers. Inflation doesn't hit everyone equally. The burden falls harder on low-income households, 2.7% versus 2.1% for the wealthiest. So what can you actually do about this? Solution number 1. Audit your subscriptions now. Go through the last 12 months of bank statements. List every recurring charge. Be ruthless. Cancel anything unused for 60+ days. Solution number 2. Maximize your CPF strategically. Top up to the enhanced retirement sum if you can. Consider voluntary contributions for tax relief. Explore CPF investment schemes. Diversify. Solution number 3. Shop smart for insurance. Compare integrated shield plans every year. Don't auto-renew blindly. Negotiate. Switch providers if needed. Solution number 4. Combat currency exchange losses. Avoid airport money changers. Use multi-currency accounts for better rates. Go cashless whenever possible. Solution number 5. Budget for hidden rental costs. Always ask if utilities are included before signing. Calculate stamp duty beforehand. Budget $150 to $200 per month extra. Solution number 6. Protect against food inflation. Cook at home. Hawker centers are still affordable. Meal prep. Use cashback cards strategically. Small changes add up. Cutting $200 per month in unnecessary costs equals $2,400 per year. Invested at 5%, $30,000 in 10 years. Here's my question for you. If you discovered you were losing $1,000 a year to hidden costs you never noticed, would you take 30 minutes today to find them and stop the leak? Or would you just keep letting it happen? Drop a comment below and tell me, which hidden cost shocked you the most? CPF reality check? Insurance spike? Subscription creep? I'm reading every comment. And if this video just saved you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars, share it with one person in Singapore who needs to hear this. Because here's the truth. Money isn't everything. But financial stress is real. And you deserve to keep the money you work so hard for. More money-saving insights coming next week. Don't miss it.